They say a picture is worth 1,000 words, but in the world of data analytics, a single dashboard can be worth millions of dollars. 30 days ago, I stood before a mountain of 32,000 raw financial records, no structure, no insights, just $130 million of data waiting for a voice. My first week was spent in the trenches of Power Query. Cleaning 32,000 rows isn't just about deleting columns, it's about ensuring data integrity. I dealt with null values, inconsistent formats, and complex transformations. I realized early on that if your data model isn't built on a Star Schema with solid relationships, your insights will eventually collapse. Then came the logic. Week 2 was all about DAX, data analysis expressions. I didn't just want to show totals, I wanted to show intelligence. I built measures for net savings, calculated debt-to-income ratios, and created dynamic time intelligence functions to compare performance across different demographics. This was the moment the data stopped being a list and started being a story. And finally, the transformation. Welcome to the executive financial overview. Look at the flow from the high-level KPIs representing $130 million in total income to the granular regional trends. I designed this using a dark-themed professional UI to ensure that the most important numbers like our 25% average savings rate are the first thing an executive sees. Every chart here is intentional. Every color serves a purpose. But I wanted this dashboard to be future-proof. I integrated AI-powered natural language processing. Now, a user doesn't need to be a data expert. They can simply ask a question in plain English and get an instant visual answer. This is where analytics meets decision intelligence. We've moved from asking what happened to what should we do next. Page 2 is our analytical deep dive. I focused heavily on the user experience. I added custom navigation buttons and interactive tooltips that provide context without cluttering the screen. It feels more like using a premium financial application than a static report, because if a stakeholder can't navigate the data easily, they can't make decisions quickly. 30 days, 32,000 records, and one massive professional evolution. This challenge taught me that data isn't just numbers, it's human behavior, it's financial health, and it's the future of business. I started this as a project, but it turned into a mission to prove that with the right mindset, anyone can turn chaos into a strategic masterpiece. The 30-day masterclass is officially complete. This is Ateka Farouk, a data analyst ready to help businesses make sense of their world. The challenge ends today, but the journey of analytics with At has just begun. Thank you for being part of this story. See you in the next chapter.